Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all?
Walaikum salam, sir. We are good.
Class, today we learn about the chemistry of oxidizing and reducing agents, the helper and the sacrificer.
Interesting, sir.
The golden rule. Electrons are never lost or created. Class, remember this forever. Electrons are neither created nor destroyed.
Sir, so electrons follow conservation law?
Yes, unlike your homework which disappears. Because of this, oxidation and reduction always happen together.
Again together?
Yes,
Like best friends.
or enemies. Class, pay attention to the board. Let's look at this reaction. Zinc plus 2HCl gives us zinc chloride and hydrogen. Zinc is oxidized.
And HCl is reduced.
Exactly. So in this reaction, zinc is the reducing agent.
So zinc loses electrons?
Exactly. It loses electrons and gets oxidized. Great question, Sarah. Imagine Ali gives his lunch to Bilal.
Sir, again me?
Yes, you are scientifically unlucky in this class. Alright class, remember, Ali loses oxidation, this is oxidation. Think of it as the helper. Bilal gains electrons, this is reduction. He is the questions. No? Good.
Sir, who is oxidizing? Who is reducing? I'm lost.
Simple trick. If you make someone oxidized, you are oxidizing agent. If you make someone reduced, you are reducing agent. Zinc helps HCl get reduced, so zinc is...
Reducing agent. So zinc sacrifices itself?
Exactly. A true hero. An oxidizing agent makes other substances oxidized while it gets reduced.
So both help others but change themselves.
Yes. That's the beauty of redox. In life, some people help others grow. Sometimes they sacrifice their own comfort, even if it costs you.
So helping others is powerful?
Exactly. That's real chemistry of life. Alright, any final questions?
Sir, if I help Bilal pass and I fail, what am I?
You are a reducing agent. And also repeating the class next year. True growth comes from helping others, even if you have to give something of your own.
Sir, you mean like a sacrifice?
Exactly. Class, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, class, Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Take care, everyone.
You too, sir.